sharp drop yesterday on Dow Jones and NASDAQ 100, both acting in advance with before the Fed's decision on interest rate scheduled on Wednesday. See, markets always takes position in advance, and yes, taking it below levels and getting the support, we may see it bouncing back with the Fed's interest rate decision. But how far this can go, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, and what is our trading strategy, where to enter, where to exit, everything we gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do not forget to watch till the end, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. The next update on the US markets will be up just before the US cash session. Let's start the day with US 100 first. US 100 trading at 11,360 levels, and let's have a look. See, on the hourly charts, first one must observe that it is getting lower highs here and higher lows there. So yes, precisely breaking below 11,340. Yes, you can go short there. Once you see it below, trading below 11,340, one can again expect it to come back till towards 11,250 levels. Very strong support lies here at around 11,250. At the same time, the resistance at 11,440 is going to be important. 20 period moving average. Once it trades past 11,440, one can remain long, and one can again expect it to rise till towards 11,550, 11,600, and beyond that a reversal can be considered. Trading in extreme negative zone here and the awesome oscillator, but trying, the candles are green, trying to converge from here and cross over for a bullish entry. The directional movement is bearish, but with the listed little divergence there. The MACD is trading in red, however it is crossed over for a bullish move, and it is white divergent and indicating more bullishness there. The RSI coming back to comfortable levels after long time, after a long drop, it is coming back to the comfortable levels. Similarly, if you look at the stochastic, it is looking upwards here. Now if you look at the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, you can see it is traded in this channel for a little while now, and the highs and the lows of the channel are well connected. Only long entry I will recommend today is above 11,400 and 11,440 levels. Beyond that, one can expect it to rise till towards 11,550, 600 plus levels also can be expected. Awesome oscillator trading in red there, and but the time it is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The height of the candles are far away, extremely bearish indication it is given. Directional movement is still bearish. The MACD has just crossed over on the 2 hour charts. It is divergent, and hence little rise there can be expected. The RSI is still trading near to bottom, or rather oversold, and it must reverse from here. My expectation is to that it can give you a bullish move. The stochastic is looking upwards. See, most of the indicators indicating and all the time frame that it has to reverse, but how far it can drop, that is the question there everybody is having right now. See, now look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, we have seen this good fall. Now it is taking this support here, and with 11,340 as support, possibly we may see a little rise. How far it can go? It can go till towards 11,420, 440 levels, and breaking below 11,440, one can definitely remain long for 11,550 and 11,600 levels. 11,600 is something one should watch out for. This may provide a little resistance on the upside. See, the awesome oscillator, it has achieved the pinnacle there. Now it is trying to reverse back a bit on the upside, and hence we can see some bullish move. Directional movement is bearish. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI is oversold, trading oversold in multiple candles. It must come back to comfortable levels. The stochastic is looking upwards too, indicating little bullish moves can be expected. Now look at the 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, here is the uh, possible reversal indication, and yes, how high it can go. There is a resistance at around 11,450 and then 11,500 zone. Now also one must observe, see these last two candles. This last two candles has given you lower highs, lower lows, and it is trying to reverse back a bit from here. So possibly yes, you can go long above 11,400. Beyond 11,400, if you see trading, we can expect 11,440, 11,500, and then beyond that it will directly lend to 11,600 levels. The oscillator there trading at the pinnacle there. From here we must see a reversal as it has achieved the high there, and if you look at the directional movement is bearish, and the MACD is trying to converge. So that is one important aspect, that it is trying to converge, indicating possibly we may see it reversing from here. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading oversold and hence a little bounce back, bringing it to comfortable levels is possible. Similarly, what we have seen in on stochastic, it was trading oversold, now looking upwards from here. So now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, the observation is same, but one must not forget that it is left, this previous candle has left a stronger tail, and the uh, body size after this is the first candle on this week. Possibly even if it tries to reverse, 11600 is the level one should watch out for. Only if it breaks past 11600 one can confirm that there is bullishness there, else it can reverse from any point of time till towards 11500 550. Achieving these levels, yes, it can reverse any point of time. So there is a possibility, yes, if it trades below 11300 one has to go short again. The oscillator on the daily charts have again entered into bearish territory, but we see there is lot much scope for it to achieve on the downside. And if you look at the MACD is wide divergent and directional movement is wide divergent and bearish. The MACD has also just crossed over, it is just 4 candles apart and it is trying to still achieve the highs there. Be watchful of that. RSI trading near to bottom and stochastic is also oversold here. It is trying to converge and reverse from here. So possibly till the time today it trades above 11300 one can, yes, remain long, and my target is 11400 11440. This is possibly will get achieved, and beyond that we may see 11500 and 550 levels. If it breaks past this, see, till 11600 almost at every 50 point 40 points it has got resistance. Mark my words, till 11600 it has got resistance at every 50 points 40 points. For example, 11550 540 zone stronger resistance, 11500 11440 4050, and then 11400 levels. So these levels at around these here it has got stronger resistance, but it is definite that it may try to reverse or rise till towards at least 11400 450 levels before it looks over to any further drop. So be cautious and be watchful of that. Yes, a short entry below 11300 is only recommended. Below that, yes, you can expect 11200 11100 and below levels. Take your positions accordingly. On the upside till 11600 it can again show you a reversal on the downside. Take your positions accordingly, trade with caution. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 on the hourly charts has got a resistance at 3700 and 3750 levels. Breaking past this zone, we may see it rising strongly on the upside. How high it can go? See, it has got its next resistance at 3900 920. Breaking this only one can confirm the reversal, and I will be looking forward to then 31 100 plus levels. Also on the downside, one has to go short once it drops below this zone at 3550 levels. If you see it trading below 3550, one can go short. And how far it can go drop, it can again come back to 35450 and 3400 levels. Oscillator trading in red, but that candle size is diminishing. Possible it can cross over to a bullish move. Directional movement is trading in red. The MACD is wide and divergent and it is showing some bullishness. See, the RSI too has come out of these oversold levels, now looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. The stochastic is near to top on the 2-hour charts, hourly charts. Now if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, one must observe that in fact the Bollinger Bands is trying to reverse or trying to converge from here. Also one must see that there is a possible reversal indication that it is trying to go forward, but yes, only long entry I will recommend if you see it trading below beyond 3700 750 zone. See here, once it trades past this zone and the pivot at around 3750, one can expect that it may show you some rise till towards 3850 900 3900 920 is definitely very strong resistance. Beyond that it will try to hit 31000 31100 levels. Awesome oscillator, it is trying to converge. It is still trading in red. Directional movement is bearish. MACD has just crossed over on the bullish side, on the buy side, hence a little rise can be expected here. Now RSI is trading oversold, must overcome or come out of this oversold levels. Stochastic is looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, it is trading bullish here. See, and one must say that there is a possibility for it to come out till towards 3750 levels, and this must provide a little resistance there on the upside. Once it breaks past 3750, I'll be looking forward to 3900, then 31050 and 31100 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit, it will try to fill the gap. Oscillator there trading in red, trying to converge. The MACD is trading bearish, the directional movement is trading bearish. The MACD is trying to converge. The RSI is trading oversold and hence a rise can be expected. The stochastic is looking upwards too. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts it is showing a reversal here, and with that as reversal also one must observe that it has formed a double top. Hence I will recommend you to go long only here. If you see it trading beyond these levels at 3700, then I will be looking forward to 3750. Breaking this, then one can definitely remain long and possibly we can expect a sharper rise on the upside. At the same time, any short entry on the downside is only below 3550 levels. Below that one can expect a sharper drop. Till the time it is above 3550, I will expect it to reverse on the upside. Oscillator achieved the peak, trying to converge. Directional movement is bearish. MACD is trying to converge on the 4-hour charts. RSI oversold must reverse from here, and stochastic is looking upwards too. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts the candle has just begun. It has formed a tail there and now trying to trade with a little rise. Yes, below 3550 one can go short, else see it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands and hence it must get a pull towards inside. Possibly we may see it hitting at least 31,000 again, and in fact it can try to rise till towards 31,100, 31,200 levels. Any breakout beyond these levels can show you a good rise. I am again still hoping for a rise there, but let's see how far this market stretches. One should not remain short, one should not remain long once till the time it is if it drops below 3550 levels. One should not remain short, or sorry, one should not remain long if it drops below 3550 levels. Mark these levels. Below 3550 we have to rather initiate a short entry. Do not trade with bias. If it trades below 3550, see right now at 3660, we have to keep a 100-point cushion there. If it trades below 3550, we have to go short there, and we have to expect that it is going to hit 3500 and then 3400, 300 zone can be expected. Till the time it trades above 3550, one can expect 3700, 3750 and then 3800, 3920 can be expected, and on the upside it can try to break beyond 31,000 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Look at also, just we have seen these charts here. Look at the oscillator here has crossed over for a sell entry and it is trading with extreme divergence. The directional movement is extremely divergent. The MACD is also crossed over and it is seen extreme divergence there, indicating more bearishness, and RSI too is entering oversold levels. The stochastic is oversold too, so that is why I say there are further indication that it can continue to drop. That is why do not remain long below 3550 levels. You have to stop yourself out below 3550. Yes, the bottom is far away at around close to sub 30k levels. If it continues to drop below 3550, 3500, we may see a sharper drop. So take your position. The more bearishness will only follow once it trades below 35 450 500 zone, and then we can expect it to hit 3200, 30,000 levels. So till the time today it trades above 3550 levels, we can expect it to hit 3800, 3900, 31,000 and plus levels also. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my Telegram channel. My email IDs and my Telegram ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your trading and training details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.